Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Reggae Boys head coach Steve McLaren says he's expecting a tough match against Guatemala when they kick off their CONCACAF Gold Cup campaign against the Central Americans tonight at the Dignity Center in California. McLaren says even though they defeated Guatemala 3-0 in the World Cup qualification last week, tonight's match will be a different affair.
It's going to be a difficult game. We knew that watching them previous to playing them last week. And tough opponent. We played very well in the home game. Maybe caught Guatemala at a good time because they'd already qualified and made some changes. But we took advantage. We beat the team we had to beat. Tomorrow will be a completely different game.
The game is set to kick off at 9 p.m. Jamaica time. The Reggae Boys will next play Guadeloupe on June 20 before battling Panama on June 24. Montego Bay United have appointed Xavier Gilbert as their new head coach. Confirmation of the appointment came on Sunday night via a statement from the club. The release noted, quote, Montego Bay United Football Club is delighted to announce the appointment of Xavier Gilbert as the new head coach, bringing aboard a seasoned and proven leader to drive the team's ambitions forward, end quote. The two-page release with quotes from both club chairman Yoni Epstein and Gilbert did not mention if the club had parted ways with Paul Tiga Davis. Davis, who took over the reins from Argentine Rodolfo Zapata in February, led the team to a third-place finish in the league phase of the Jamaica Premier League before losing 4-2 to Arnett Gardens in the third-place playoff. Coincidentally, Gilbert had also replaced Davis at Arnett Gardens. Now, TVJ Sports understands that Davis had only agreed on a contract at Montego Bay United until the end of the season. Gilbert will start in his new role on July 1st. Arnett Gardens, in the meantime, will have to quickly appoint a replacement for Gilbert as they will contest the CFU Caribbean Club Shield, which starts on July 26.
And we do apologize for the technical difficulties we're having, and that's the midday news. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.